Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to embed a Word file into Excel program. So firstly, open the Excel. Now select spot where you want to embed Word file and click on Insert. Now click on Object. Here is the list of programs. Select any program which you want to embed of Microsoft Word. And click on OK. If you want to display as an icon, so check this box. You can change icon from here. Make OK and click on OK again. So you will see Microsoft Word. Another way to insert Microsoft Word file into Excel, click anywhere, click on Insert and go to Text and find Object. Click on Object and click on Create from File. Browse your file which you want to embed in Excel program. Now select your file and click on Insert. Check this box if you want to display as icon and check this box if you want to link to file. After setup, click on OK. So now you embed a Microsoft Word your own file in Excel program. If you want to modify that file, click on, so you will directly open that file. So friends, by this two method, you can embed and insert Microsoft Word file into Excel program. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please hit like button, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.